So I hope that you found the demo helpful of walking through one of these processes of creating a database, well, the ERD at least. So this Thursday, we have a milestone that is due for your project. Again, this is another just baby step in getting the ERD. So at this point, you already know how to make an ERD from front to finish. So for milestone, this time, I just want to make sure that you have the tables and attributes selected, ideally at least a kind of sketch of what your ERD is going to look like, probably not a final version of it. But at the very least, knowing your list of tables and attributes. What I've seen from other classes is that a lot of folks find doing this in bullet points is very helpful. So if you're not going ahead and building out the ERD because you're not sure about the relationship directions and stuff, at least having the tables and then listing out what attributes you need for each one is going to be a really helpful step for you to figure out what you are going to need to build the actual ERD. So yeah, so that is, we'll have breakout groups to let you guys get some practice and feedback from your peers. Hopefully that will be helpful for you. Grad students, it's kind of one of those things where if you put a lot into it and you actually ask for the feedback and stuff, and if everyone participates, it can be a useful time. Otherwise, you're just reporting out. So I'm hoping that you guys will take advantage of the time to get feedback from your peers. Once we get through that, I will take any questions from the homework section 3. And then after that, we will review this week's material. So what we just listened to in the lecture, do the quiz review, talk about the next homework assignment. It's the last part of the ERD, which is the only part that you're not going to get this check back feedback kind of thing for before you turn it in. And then we'll do the optional breakout group lab time, assuming that feedback from the class hasn't changed that process again at this point. So that is the plan. And just let you know, I will provide a practice ERD problem for you to do that is totally optional, but if you feel a little iffy about the whole process of creating ERDs at this point still, you can do that, and I'll give an answer key for you, and then that should help you practice for the exam. All right, I will see you on Thursday.